Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Facebook Live seminar this afternoon. Study, Live, and Migrate to Australia. So, why Australia? So, we have four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. Number one, listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, and listed one of the highest salary. And of course, Australia is listed in best country in the world. Pamapangatlo po ang Australia sa pinakamataas na highest average salaries. Best country in the world. Number 9, best country to raise a family. Number 27, safest country in the world. Let's proceed navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia for 2024. We have data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, and AI and machine learning. For data science, we have here some of the highest paid data science jobs in 2024. We have machine learning engineer, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing, engineer. And ito po yung ang kanilang annual income, its jobs. So as you can see in the screen, sobrang laki ng annual income ng machine learning engineer. And ito po yung mga some of the highest data science jobs in 2024. For cybersecurity, we have Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant. For cloud computing jobs, we have Cloud Solution Architect, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Security Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Cloud Data Engineer. For software engineering, we have software development manager, site reliability engineer, full stack developer, mobile software developer, blockchain developer. For AI and machine learning, we have chief AI officer, AI architect, AI product manager, AI ethics specialist, AI research scientist. So, how to find and apply for a job? Paano po kayo makakapaghanap ng work? At the same time, paano po kayo mag-apply ng work? So, don't worry everyone, less hassle na po ngayon dahil meron na po tayong www.sick.com.au na pwede nyo pong kahit nasa bahay po kayo, pwede po kayo mag-apply or research on your own. Mag-legit check po kayo. Pwede nyo pong i-copy yung www.sick.com.au. Pwede po kayong mag-try, maghanap ng work dito fit as a student visa holder. So once may nahanap na kayong trabaho, pwede po kayong mag-apply sa www.linkedin.com. Hindi nyo na po kailangan pumunta sa agency, company, HR, or sa mismong location ng work. Pwede na po kayong mag-apply sa www.linkedin.com para less hassle din po tayo. So, school's location, we choose the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rate. We have four major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta. As of now, we have affiliated school in Parramatta na hindi na po kailangan ng show money and IELTS for July intake. So, what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? Number one, study at any university in Australia. Two, travel in and out of Australia as necessary. Three, work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. Fourth, the visa permits students to work in Australia. Once they graduate, it's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. Last, as dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children pwede pong sumama sa inyo sa Australia. If you have live-in partner, long-term boyfriend, fiance, husband, or meron na po kayong anak, pwede nyo po sila isama under your student visa sa Australia. So here, we have five part-time job for international student in Australia. Example, we have barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, and fruit picking. As I mentioned, pwede nyo po silang pag-applyan once nasa Australia na po kayo. It's just an example. Marami pa pong pwedeng pag-applyan as a student visa holder. Example po ito ng barista, bartender, server, hotel job, and hotel and fruit picking. Unlimited work rights, last year, June 30, nag-end po ang unlimited work rights sa binaba ng Australian government for student visa holder. We hope so this June, magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng unlimited work rights dahil sobrang laking tulong po nito sa ating student visa holder. You must have sufficient funds. Do all applicants in this application confirm that they each have access to sufficient funds to support themselves for the total period of stay in Australia and understand that further evidence of funds may also be requested. Dito, kailangan lang po nating patunayan ng ating sarili na we have enough funds to support ourselves sa Australia, living expenses, tuition fee, and other expenses. What are the typical reason of rejection? First is the health declaration. So everyone, if you have blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy, if you have this kind of sickness, kailangan po muna nating magpa-treatment. Kailangan po natin is totally fit to work po tayo pag kumuha po tayo ng student visa. Actual courses, we have early childhood education and care courses and community service courses. Ayan, meron na po kaming Certificate 3, Diploma of Early Childhood, Package Early Childhood, Certificate 4 in Mental Health, Diploma of Community Services, Package Health and Community Courses. Ayan po ang kanilang onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, ayan din po yung onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan din po yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses. Course start date, this year, 2024, we have two upcoming intakes na lang po natitira. For July and for October. This July, we have a benefits of no show money and no IELTS needed. Itong July na lang po ang no show money and no IELTS needed. Habol po tayo, this month na lang po ang preparation for July intake. Summary of fees, estimated only, just add 10% buffer. For school tuition fee, school enrollment fee, school material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics, overall po na magagastos po natin is 7,245 Australian dollar and peso it's 253,550 pesos. Estimated only at 10% buffer. So how to earn 1 million pesos in just 5 months. So if you work 40 hours at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week salary. This is based on 35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So for the first and second month, you earn 11,200 AUD, 16,800 AUD. Fourth month, you earn 22,400 AUD. Fifth month, you earn 28,000 AUD. For the total of 28,000 and peso, it's 1 million pesos. So as a couple, how to earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months as a couple? So if a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 AUD per week each. So together, they make 2,800 per week. So for the first and second month, they earn 22,400 AUD, 33,000, 44,000, and for the fifth month, they earn 56,000. In peso, it's 2 million pesos. So, base pa din po ito sa $35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So here in Accentrix, we have 8-step application process. Step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Dito na po papasok ang ating GTE or SOP, Statement of Purpose. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. So these are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. Fill up the PDM form agreement, school enrollment form, submit all the required document, pay the enrollment fee directly to school, pay the tuition fee, and apply for a visa. So if you have any question, guys, just full comment down your full name, number, then after the seminar, tatawagan pa kayo ng aming team. Or if you want to schedule your face-to-face consultation, just drop down your full name and number. Then after this seminar, our team gonna call you back. So everyone, thank you for joining and listening to our short live seminar this afternoon. See you again. See you on Monday, 2 p.m.